Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix any problem or issue with the Instagram Edits app. So first thing that you will do is, of course, go ahead and go through the settings into your device. And now from here, just simply scroll down and then go ahead and go to the apps. And after that, just simply go ahead and find the Edits app over here and just simply select it. And now here, just simply scroll down a little bit and go for the storage. And now you will have here clear cache. And now when you tap on clear cache, you should be able to fix it. But if it still doesn't, you could just simply go back over here to these settings and just simply select clear data and tap on OK. And from there, it should reset the application and you should be able to fix the issue. Now, guys, if it doesn't work still, another thing that you should consider is just simply go to the Google Play Store into your device and tap the search icon at the bottom and go for the search bar at the top and just simply search for Instagram Edit app and just simply select the application. And from here, just simply select the three dots on the top right and just simply enable the auto update. So make sure you are running the latest version so you won't have any issue. And when there is any update, you should be able to see here update instead of open. There you go. See ya.